At the bottom of the page in the left-hand corner, click Add Audio. You can select either of these options. For this example, I'm going to select Music. I'm going to select Instrumental. And I'm just going to go ahead and select this soundtrack here. So once I've selected my audio, I go over to the three dots on the right-hand side of the audio track, click on it, and then click on Beat Sync. So now what this is going to do is it's going to try to match the music to my video so that everything syncs very well. And so I can first display the beat markers in the music. And then if you're a pro user, you can select Sync Now. And now all of the images in my video, they're timed to the music. So that's how you do beat sync. So if you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave it down in the comment section below. If you enjoy my videos, consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you and have a great day.